This is a Toyota Prado that was submerged for over 72 hours during the massive rainstorm in Zhengzhou 4 years ago. 4 years later, we found this survivor in a scrapyard, but now it has turned into this miserable state. The front is all rusted due to water damage, and when I pried open the hood, I found the engine leaking oil and water everywhere. But what really gives me a headache is the moldy interior, which not only emits a stench that hits you right in the head, but most of the function buttons are also not working. But fortunately, after reconnecting the battery and starting it, the engine can still run normally. This old thing miraculously started moving when put in drive. The exhaust deformation causes the sound to deepen. Is it just these surface issues, or is there more to it? Next, let's spend a year taking the whole car apart, completely refurbishing it, transforming it from this to this and this. First, let's take it all apart.
The odor is too strong. Everyone put on your masks.
Even the car owner is an angler. A moldy and rusty seaside. This smell is really intoxicating. Friendly reminder, you in front of the screen can breathe. Separate the car shell. The engine oil leakage is very serious. A large number of rubber sleeves are all scrapped. Clean the chassis thoroughly before inspection. Disassemble the engine and check for damage. The main beam engine bracket is broken, and the engine is transferred to the overhaul factory.
The Empress of Clay couldn't find the screw. Kill it and continue dismantling. Classification and placement of screw accessories.
The national competition was full of mud and sand, and 4 years later, the engine still had water stains. It's all a mixture of sludge and various metal shavings. Nail breakage caused the oil pan screws to wear down, so they were manually removed to prevent stripping.
The disassembled engine.
Ultrasonic cleaning. Measure data inside the cylinder. After cleaning, the engine is assembled with original parts.
Tighten the torque according to the original factory repair manual.
Special equipment cleaner door.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Remove the tire, refurbish the chassis, rusty screws, apply some lubricant. The darn stabilizer bar is rusted through. All the shock absorber bolts are rusted solid, and the electric wrench is almost smoking. The broken engine mount is being re-welded, the chassis is emptied, ready for refurbishment, starting with the laser. Comparison before and after chassis refurbishment. Replace damaged parts, start assembly. Install the cleaned fuel tank. Refurbish the exhaust pipe rubber sleeve. Refurbish after draining the transmission. Refurbished clues. Comparison of the chassis before and after refurbishment. The car shell is too severely damaged to be worth refurbishing. It's better to directly replace it with a second-hand shell. Redo the base and repaint. The putty is also extremely thick and is starting to peel.
Spray Parrot Yellow Boxwood Primer for rust prevention.
Because water damage led to mold growth, there's no need for renovation. Just invest heavily in purchasing original parts.
3,600 seconds prison test to ensure no leaks after installation.
It ultimately took a year. Let's take a look at it now.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.